It's him and
What's
I,
going on YouTube?
Aquemini.
This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I got a pressure wash tip for you. Right here, I have my wand, short version of a wand, and I have my ball valve, which I used to try to put my wands in. Unfortunately, it's not fitting because, I don't know if you can see this, but around the edge it's starting to chip and stuff like, well, starting to wear. So when you try to put it, insert this inside the wand, it's not going. So this is the tip. Get a file, and you're gonna take the file around the edge of the connector. And just try to get it as smooth as possible. What I was doing in the past, I was replacing this piece and just putting a new one on it. And I said, well, let me see what happens when I take a file to it. So you see that I filed it, it's kind of shiny now. Let's see if it fits now. So I'm gonna take my wand and I'm gonna, boom, went straight in. So instead of replacing your tip, get you a file and file that tip down, and then your wand should fit on perfectly. This is Marcos from Aquemini Pressure Washing, and I'll see you in the next video.
It's him and I,
Peace.
Aquemini.